Dear students, under the topic Applications of Derivatives, here we have problem 9. The question is the total function for x units is given by y equal to 4x multiplied with x plus 2 divided by x plus 1 plus 6. We have to show that the marginal cost decreases as x increases. A problem of the similar kind I have done in our previous video lecture under problem 8. So kindly follow that first and then you can look into this video. So now here the given function y is equal to 4x multiplied with x plus 2 divided by x plus 1 plus 6. Now in order to find the marginal cost, we shall first simplify this. So this can be written as y is equal to 4x when multiplied with x, it gives us 4x square, and then 4x with 2. So 4 2 times is 8. So 8x divided by x plus 1 plus 6. Now in order to find the marginal cost, we have to differentiate y with respect to x. So first derivative of y with respect to x gives us the marginal cost. So dy by dx will be equal to. Now if you see here, we are going to use u by v method in order to differentiate this term, where u will be equal to 4x square plus 8x and v will be x plus 1. And we know that the formula is v square in the denominator, v multiplied with u dash minus u multiplied with v dash. Now let us apply this over here. So first we will have v square in the denominator. V is x plus 1. So x plus 1 the whole square. And then v multiplied with u dash. V is x plus 1 multiplied with u dash is the differentiation of u. So 4x square when differentiated, it gives us 4 2 times is 8. So we will get 8x. So 8x plus differentiation of x is 1. So 8 into 1 will give us 8. Then minus u multiplied with u is 4x square plus 8x multiplied with v dash, the differentiation of v. So differentiation of x is 1 and the constant is 0. So therefore multiplied with 1. Now on simplification, this will be equal to, now x can be multiplied with 8x so that we get 8x square, and then x with this 8, so plus 8x, and then 1 with 8x, so plus 8x, and then 1 with 8, so plus 8, and then we have minus 4x square, and then minus 8x, the whole divided by x plus 1 the whole square. Now on further simplification, this will be equal to, this one of the plus 8x and minus 8x will get cancelled, and 8x square minus 4x square will give us 4x square, and then we have this 8x, so plus 8x, and then the constant 8, so plus 8 divided by x plus 1 the whole square. Now from this 4 can be taken in common and we get x square plus 2x, because since we have taken 4 out, it will be 2 over here. So 2x plus again here also 2, because 4 2 times is 8. So when we multiply this 4 within this term, we get back this. So divided by x plus 1 the whole square. Now the terms inside the bracket has to be made a perfect square. So that is x square plus 2x. Already we know that a square plus 2ab. So the value of b is 1. Or you can just remember that here whatever value you have, that you add and subtract with a square. So that is equal to 4 multiplied with x square plus 2x will come as it is. So the value is 1. So plus 1 square minus 1 square. In order to make it a perfect square, we are doing this. So concept of perfect square you would have learnt in your lower classes. So plus 2 the whole divided by x plus 1 the whole square. So this gives us x plus 1 the whole square. So we can write this as 4 multiplied with x plus 1 the whole square, and this minus 1 square is minus 1. So minus 1 plus 2 will give us plus 1. Okay, divided by x plus 1 the whole square. Now this x plus 1 in the denominator is common to these two terms. So it can be taken to each of the terms separately. So we get x plus 1 the whole square divided by x plus 1 the whole square plus 1 divided by x plus 1 the whole square. So now if you see, these two terms will get cancelled and we get the final answer to be 4 multiplied with, when it gets cancelled it leaves out 1. So 1 plus 1 divided by x plus 1 the whole square. So therefore the marginal revenue is equal to 4 multiplied with 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 the whole square. We see that it is inversely proportional to x. So as x increases, marginal revenue keeps on decreasing, because as this value increases, and since it is in the denominator, it will make this value to decrease. Therefore, from this we understand that marginal revenue decreases as x increases. So therefore, we have proved the given question, because in the question they have asked us to show that the marginal cost decreases as x increases. So actually this is marginal cost. By mistake I wrote it as marginal revenue. The marginal cost decreases as x increases. So hence we have shown it. And since x is in the denominator over here, as one quantity decreases or increases, the other quantity also increases or decreases. So it happens reversely. So therefore marginal cost decreases as x increases, which is what we have to prove. So I hope you would have understood this problem. Thank you.